Good morning, children. Welcome to today's session of business study class. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the managerial response to the change in business environment. This is a topic which is not there in your NCERT book. So you have to write down this topic in your notebook. Children, this topic we will discuss about what all changes have taken place or what all changes the business have to bring about due to the change in the business environment. So let us move to the classroom and have a discussion on this point. Children, now we will see the last topic of this chapter, that is managerial responses to change in business environment. Here let us see, after the introduction of economic reform, what all changes took place in the managerial areas of the business. These are the points: diversification, joint venture, brand building, use of latest technology, creating high performing work culture, and customer focus. Let us discuss each point one by one. First one is diversification. We can see many big companies like Reliance, they are producing more than one product. That is, more product lines are there under the Reliance group. So that is a result of diversification. The corporate scenes now witnessed a spat of diversification. For example, Reliance has diversified into textiles, chemicals, IT, communication, etc. So there we can see a company going for more than one product. So there are many product line for one company. That is what diversification means. So it was the result of economic reform. Next is, second one is joint venture. So here two different companies are joining. Two different multinational companies are joining with each other and they are sharing their resources and continuing the business. So many multinational have entered India afresh through new joint ventures. So many companies have joined Indian company and to form a joint venture. So Ford Enterprise with Mahindra and Mahindra, General Motors entered with Hindustan Motors. So these were some of the examples of joint venture. Next, there was a brand building possible with this new reform. The third point is brand building. Expenditures were enhanced by companies in building brands. So huge amount was spent by many big companies for creating brand. Often it was done by the multinational companies who have invested a huge amount on building brands. Some of the examples are LG company, Samsung and Hyundai. So these big companies, they have invested such a huge amount to create a loyalty and a brand image among the customers. So they have succeeded in doing that. We all know, we all are very familiar with Samsung and LG companies. So they were able to build the brand image among the customers. Next point is latest technological development. So whatever changes is happening in the technology, it is updated. Use of latest technology has become the slogan of the successful companies. So whatever is coming new, they are ready to adopt it and bring in front of customers. So best example is the cellular phones, which is every day a new feature is added up and introduced in the market. So use of latest technology. And creating high performing work culture. So organization should create high performing work culture and which combines employee productivity and employee satisfaction to get best possible performance results. So work culture should be created in the organization so that employee can give more productivity and there will be employee satisfaction, which will result in best possible performance result. Then high performing work culture leads to success, while low performing work culture leads to failure. So that every organization should remember it. So whenever the employee gives high performing work culture, there will be success in the organization. Otherwise, opposite will be the result. The next point is the customer focus. There have been an increasing attention to customer needs and their satisfaction. As the competition is increasing and the firm have to face the multinational companies, the customer needs and their satisfaction is given more importance. There have been also a tremendous difference in the nature and quality of the product being offered to the customer nowadays. So to improve the quality of the product, various marketing research has been undertaken by the firms. They are also going for advertising and sales promotion techniques to increase their sales and also to satisfy the customers' needs. So this was the 6th point. Let us have a quick review on this topic. We have studied, we are going through the managerial changes that have taken place because of the economic policy introduced. So the first point is diversification, joint venture is the second point. Third one is brand building. Fourth, use of latest technology. Fifth one is creating high performing work culture. And the sixth point is customer focus. Children, this particular topic is not there in your textbook. So you have to go through the notes and copy the same in your notebook, business study notebook, and followed by the notes. A test paper is also there. So please attend the test paper and forward the same to me by 2 o'clock. Read the textbook very carefully. In our next session, I am going to take the new chapter, that is planning. So it will be better if you just read that chapter once. So before I start that as a new topic. So for today, this is all. Meet you in the next class.